More stocks on the deep. We have PSNL, LNTH, OPEN, CJET. So we'll begin with PSNL, down 22.34%. Intraday low not long ago is 4.15. Yeah, 4.15. Currently at 4.38 right now. Let's see what's going on. As things stand right now, we have it's expected that it's going to retrace and consolidate going all the way towards Friday, the 15th of August. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. We have upper projection of 6.04 currently in play. It was first initiated as of the 28th of July, but outside that, just yesterday, it had down projection of 5. Well, currently an upper projection 5.98, 6.04, 6.30, 6.49. Let's see whether we have what did we see here? 6.49. Here we have 6.32. We have 7.09 as of the 21st of July. Okay, so selling pressure must be amplified, surely. Yeah, everything is negative. There's no room yet for buyers. Yeah, they are coming in. They are there, but it's still dominated by sellers and short sellers. Severely bearish at the moment. And if you go by what the extrapolation of its 3 period moving average is saying, it doesn't seem like they're really going to succeed. The deep buyers that have come for the stock, it doesn't seem that they may succeed. There might be opportunities. That's what we can see. It's cycling and consolidating. So there might be trade opportunities might play out here. Let's see what the news is. Personalis is maintaining that buy by HC Wainwright. The company reports results for quarter ended. Let's see. Yes, reported the results. Yes, reported quarterly adjusted result of 23 cents per share for the quarter ended June 30, higher than the same quarter last year when the company reported EPS of negative 24 cents. The main expectation of 8 analysts for the quarter was for a loss of 24 cents per share. Wall Street expected results to range from negative 27 cents to negative 23 cents per share. Okay. So revenue fell 23.8% to $17.2 million from a year ago. Okay, that's a huge one. I think that's amongst other things the reason why it's down now. Okay, let's see what we have on. Next one is LNTH. LNTH is down 30.22%. Intraday low that was yesterday. It was today, as a matter of fact, 49.69. Intraday high, 73.75 within the same hour, if you like. Okay, no, not within the same hour, just a couple of hours apart. So let's see. LNTH. Okay, so lower prices are expected to remain in place up till Monday, the 11th of August, and before that happens, there might be an attempt to resume or an attempt to bounce, but according to the extrapolation, it may be rejected, and then after that, maybe the pivot or the bounce may or may not hold. After that, this will be from the 12th of August. So we have what sort of projections do we have? We have 72.53, 73.71, 43, 44.43 or thereabout. Yeah, so just reiterating the sort of levels it plunged from. Yeah, 73.75, we saw that. We have 73.71, yeah, 72.53. Okay, so we can imagine, one can imagine that selling pressure is amplified. Yes, that's the case. Severely bearish. There's a good chance that by tomorrow, the 7th of August, that the stock will still be trading below its 10 and 21 period moving averages on this 4 hour chart. So there's a good chance that it may still be trading below 68.06 and 69.97. It's currently trading at $51 right now, as things stand. Let's see what the news is. Okay, shares fall after financial year outlook cut, Q2 miss. Yeah. The company focused, or rather cut its full year outlook and notched lower than expected profit and revenue in the second quarter. Shares fell 19% to $58.7 in pre-market trading. Through through Tuesday's close, shares have lost nearly a quarter of their value over the past year. Okay, the company said it now expects adjusted per share earnings of $5.5 to $5.7 and revenue of $1.48 billion to $1.51 billion. It had previously guided for adjusted per share earning of $6.6 to $6.7 and revenue of $1.55 billion to $1.59 billion. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. That will be OPEN. Okay, down 23.02%. Okay, let's see, 23.02%. Let's see. I think did it disclose its earnings outcomes recently? Yeah, it seems. Okay, okay, there's no news. Okay. So lower prices are expected to remain in place up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and then a bounce that may be rejected will ensue. It may be rejected by Friday's pre-market session, and then the downtrend, or lower prices, if you like, a downtrend or a distributive, a retracement will occur and may remain in place up till Friday, the 15th of August. As a matter of fact, actually, it's just going to stabilize by from Wednesday, the 13th. That's what's it's just actually extrapolating. Upper projections we have let's see, 2.43, 2.72, 2.91. Okay. Um, Currently, there, that's those are the projections. It's at 1.94 right now. Before now, it had 2.65, 2.94, 3.13. I think we covered the stock yesterday. One point, there's a downward projection here of 1.53. Let's see. I think it reported Q2 revenue of $1.6 billion, surpassing the IBES estimate of $1.503 billion. Has average analyst holding an average analyst rating of hold with one strong buy, eight hold and two sell recommendations. Okay, 12-month price target is $1. Okay, shares fall after Q3 revenue forecast falls short of estimates. Yeah, let's see. Drop 22.2, be 22.2%. Okay, Q2 revenue forecast is in the range of $800 million to $875 million, falling short of analyst average forecast of $1.2 billion. Okay, we have okay, well, we have a mix of things here. Um, Severely bearish, um, 10 period moving average, and indeed also the 21 period moving average. But we have a very robust first derivative indicating that yeah, that selling pressure has lost a very significant amount of its edge. Maybe in the interim, that's why we don't have lower prices expected to print. At least, yeah, lower prices are looking like they're going to continue to print, but not at least not a steep decline. Or maybe that's why we have this bounce that is expected to kick in from tomorrow, the 7th. Yeah, yeah. So just let's see. Next is CJET. CJET is down 18.23%. Intraday high in this session, 3.88, and got rejected. And then, yeah, we'll have this plunge. Let's see. CJET, CJET. Okay, so I believe, let's see, you have to, I'm suspecting this is a stock you have to be very careful about. Just be very careful about this one. Let's see, we have lower prices expected to remain in place up till midday of today's trading session, and then after that, we might have a distributive contraction with a bias to the downside. Let's see what we have. Upper projections of 2.75, 2.94, 3.06. Let's see, 3.06. Okay, let's see. 2.47, 2.82, 3.04. Yeah, so okay, so it looks like it was at 2.48, now at 2.03, down 18.23%. Just be careful with this stock. We haven't done any due diligence, but it's looking like a stock, just like a stock you just have to be very careful with. Just be real careful. You just have to be. Let's see. Okay, so let's have a look at the selling pressure. Okay, so severely bearish, but we have a positive second derivative that is robustly positive, robustly player positive. Just an indication that maybe a bottom is nearing the bottom, but I wouldn't advise you to buy the stock, even trade it. So just be careful. Just be careful with this one. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.